Hi everyone. Let us learn about the word of the day for today. Spell them together with us. And remember that words are important. Xanadu, X-A-N-A-D-U. Xanadu, X-A-N-A-D-U. Xanadu, X-A-N-A-D-U. It is a noun. What does it mean? Xanadu is a place of great beauty, luxury, and contentment. Example of the word Xanadu used in a sentence. A little bit of home improvement and this cabin will turn into a real Xanadu. Xanadu, X-A-N-A-D-U. Xanadu.